In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to your newsletter inside Klaviyo. This process is perfect for those who want to reach their audience effectively and efficiently. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing some updates, or keeping in touch with your subscribers, sending an email through Klaviyo is straightforward and powerful. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to log into your Klaviyo account. Simply head over to Klaviyo's website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. From there, click on the Campaigns tab. This is where all the magic begins, your hub for managing communications with your audience. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Campaign button. A window will pop up, prompting you to select the type of campaign you want to create. Since we're focusing on newsletters, choose email. This selection will guide Klaviyo to tailor the options best suited for crafting a dynamic email campaign. Now, it's time to give your campaign a name. Make sure to choose a descriptive name for internal organization. A well-named campaign makes tracking and analysis down the line a whole lot easier. After that, you'll be selecting your recipients. This could be a specific list or a segment that you've previously created. Picking the right audience is key to making your communications relevant and timely. With your audience selected, click on Next to proceed. This brings us to the campaign details. Here you'll enter the name, subject line, and the from name. These elements are crucial as they are the first impression your subscribers will have of your email. Choose content that is engaging and accurately represents the message you're conveying. Now let's move on to the design of your email. You can either choose a pre-built template from Klaviyo or start fresh with their intuitive drag and drop editor. If you choose a pre-built template, click Use Template to begin editing it. A significant advantage here is the ability to customize your email, adding personal touches like text, images, and captivating call to action buttons that suit your brand's voice and style. Before you schedule anything, it's highly recommended to send a test email to yourself or a colleague. This step ensures everything looks right and functions as you expect. Do this by clicking the Preview and Test button, then enter the desired email address for the test. Once satisfied with your design and content, click Next to get to the final steps. Here, you'll create a new subject line, ideally crafting something different from the first to see what resonates best with your audience. Finally, decide whether you want to schedule the campaign for a future time or send it immediately. Double check your scheduling preferences before clicking that Schedule Campaign button to ensure everything is timed perfectly for your audience. And there you have it. Sending an email to your newsletter inside Klaviyo can be accomplished seamlessly, helping you connect, engage, and grow with your audience. Thanks for following along.